Hi everyone, I'm Jade. I'm the head chef at Forest Green Rovers. This is my kitchen. We are known as the world's greenest football club. Today we're working with the amazing products of the Devil's Kitchen, so hopefully you enjoy. Today we're going to be making Jamaican jerk burger stacks. And first off, we're going to be making the mango salsa. So we've got a nice sweet red pepper. Just going to finely dice everything in the salsa. So this salsa will be a mixture of sweet and sour and nice and tangy, which will really complement the jerk burger and add Caribbean flavour to the burger stack. Okay, so next we're going to put in the red onion. Okay, so finely dice that. Right, so next of all, we're going to stick in our mango. I'm going to cut it, shave off the skin. Now, if you don't want to use mango, you can also use frozen pineapple. That will also create a nice Caribbean jerk flavour. Beautiful colours mixing together. Two last things we've got to put in is lime juice, lime zest, and then some mango chutney to finish it off. So I'm going to zest my lime first. Oh, I love the smell of that. So fresh. Juice of 1 lime, squeeze. Pour the lime juice into the salsa. And then start off with a tablespoon of mango chutney and see how you get on. Give it a mix. Now you want the mango chutney to act as a binder for the salsa. It's looking amazing, smelling unbelievable. So fresh. And there we go. Tangy, colourful, sweet, sour, amazingness. Okay, so now we have our delicious salsa ready to go. I'm going to make the guac very quickly. So just open this avo. One of my favourite foods, dips, whatever you want to call it, of all time, is guacamole. Goes with everything. Healthy, full of good fats. It's just the best. Obviously, your guac you don't want to make too far ahead of time because it starts to go brown, but to stop that you can add some lemon juice or some lime juice. Anything acidic will help stop the browning process. Just going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Time to put the burgers in. Right, so here we have Devil's Kitchen's vegan Jamaican jerk burgers. Rich in protein, 24% fruit and vegetables. They're 1/3 of the saturated fat of a premium beef burger. We are cooking them from frozen and in the oven today, but you can cook them on the griddle, barbecue, however you want. Right, so now we're going to start to build our burger stack. Here we have a vegan brioche bun. I'm going to put some lettuce. And then a slice of beef tomato on there, amazing. And now a nice big dollop of crushed avo. Whee. So we've got a few minutes now until our burgers are ready from the oven. So now we're going to griddle our bananas and then we're going to complete our stack. Grab a big slice out of these bananas. Right, so you can also use plantain instead of bananas. Bananas are obviously easier to get a hold of and cheaper. The plantain's more savoury and the bananas are sweeter, so depending on what kind of taste you want to go for, but either will work really well. So now we're going to griddle the bananas. You might not be able to hear me through the fans, but let that heat up a little bit. You hear them sizzling away. So you should only need about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't want them to stick to the griddle either. Ooh, nice. So I've just got the burgers out of the oven. Look how amazing they look when they're cooked, and they smell delicious. You can really smell the like tangy jerkness of it. So we're gonna stick our delicious patty onto the heap of guac. Grab our sizzling banana. Look at all the amazing brown lines. They make it look so good. Okay, and now for the salsa. Spoon that on top. Yes. Oh, smells so good. You know, some people might not choose to have coriander, but I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna stick some coriander on top. And there you go. That is your vegan Jamaican jerk burger stack. Voila. Right, so there you have it, a Jamaican stack burger. We're just gonna put it in our biodegradable container and add a bit of salad, just for some serving inspiration for you. Bit of salad on the side, all those amazing colours. So if you want any tips on drizzles and dressing, speak to Gavin at Devil's Kitchen. He's the absolute expert of everything dressing. Right, so there you have our amazing Jamaican jerk burger. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions or anything, you can go onto the Devil's Kitchen website, or you can contact me via Instagram and Jade's Green Kitchen. If you want any more information on the Devil's Kitchen products, you can just go on thedevilskitchen.co.uk.